Want a custom illustrated book cover without the custom price or a 6-week wait? Here's how our Premade Character process works in 5 easy steps. Step 1. Choose your characters. Scroll through our curated library of premades, singles and couples, designed especially for romance, rom-com and character-driven stories. Step 2. Make them yours. Need red hair and a leather jacket? Go for it. Want to add freckles, change skin tone or swap an outfit? You can even mix and match between characters for that perfect vibe. Easy. Step 3. We illustrate, you relax. Real humans bring your characters to life, making sure everything fits your story world and your genre. We keep the art style cohesive so that characters feel consistent across books or series. Step 4. Review and refine. You'll get a preview to approve. Need a tweak? Just ask. We include up to 3 rounds of edits so that everything feels just right. Step 5. Done. Files delivered. You will receive high-res artwork ready for ebook, print, socials, and merch. It's your character, ready to shine. Need a full cover? Choose our Premade Character cover package and we'll deliver a professionally designed, print-ready cover that looks fully custom, because it is. 79% of readers decide in a single glance whether to click on a book. We've delivered over 300 book covers, turning that glance into a sale. Let's make yours the next one.